Hello, my name is Daniel Cruz. I'll be going over Oxidus gracilis, or better known as greenhouse millipedes. The habitat that millipedes are usually found at is moist soil or grass that is loose for them to move around in, typically only to hide from predators and for them to be cool. And usually during the fall and winter, when it gets cold, usually the moist soil will freeze and it will make it harder for them to move around. So they will go to houses and they will invade them, but they won't invade everywhere. They will only invade the lower areas of the house, the most lowest area and the moist area in the house. So typically in basements, around the corners where it's closest to the outside, and or restrooms more in the bottom of sinks, under toilets, or sometimes inside of toilets, and under tubs. They could also be found around the United States. Every state has a millipede, even in Alaska, but they're more found in the homes just due to the weather. They could also be found in Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. Millipedes are omnivores. They will eat plants, bugs, and animals, but they're more detrivores than anything, mainly because they will rather prefer something that is decaying or something that is at point of dying, such as like greenhouse millipedes. If there's two vegetables, two carrots, one of them is about to go spoiled and the other one is healthy, they will rather go to the spoiled vegetable than the spoiled carrot than the healthy carrot, since they're more attracted to that. And so they'll go for also tree barks, funguses, and even vegetables, but depending on their state. The prey and predator relationship between millipedes is they have a bunch of predators, from big animals to even insects, such as beetles, ants, and spiders. And for big animals, toads, badgers, and birds. They have multiple defensive mechanisms, but the two main ones known, they will curl up so that the hard shell will protect their soft, squishy bottom side, and that way it will be harder for like insects to penetrate it. And if not, they will also release a fluid, typically such as hydrochloric acid, for it to burn bigger animals such as the toads and birds, and it will kind of also repel them, and they will like to stay away from it due to the odor of it. Millipedes used to be living in the sea, so they've evolved a slight bit from many years ago, but now they from when they evolved from the sea millipedes to the land, they've spread around like 10,000 different species, but the difference between those and these is these have around 1,000 legs and the others don't. This is a diagram of a tree for every like millipede. They spread around thousands of them, but they will be typically around the diplopoda, around here. Um, yeah. Millipedes in the ecosystem are really helpful, and not they won't harm anything but help, as millipedes don't really attack humans nor animals or anything that is truly living, and only decaying stuff. So they're truly known as recyclers, and as they will remove waste from land as well. These are all my sources for every slide and picture.